Hello everyone. I am Sayuj. I'll be the instructor for this webinar. So we are going to discuss about Selenium's job opportunities in India. So this is the job market share in India. So in this image, you can see this recruitments that is happening over a time from various websites. How like Times Job, Naukri, Shine, Indeed, Monster. On the left hand side, you can see the number of recruitments happening over a period of time. So mostly you can this websites you can rely upon for the job search. So you can see this much LinkedIn has playing a role, right? So LinkedIn has a major role as of now, and also Naukri is leading as usual, and then we have Times Now, Shine, all other Monster and all. Indeed is also having a major share according to this particular survey. So these are the all the job sites that is available in India that you can go for when you are doing this part. So you have Naukri, Monster, ZipRecruiter, Glassdoor, Nivo, then TimesJob.com, Indeed, Quicker Jobs, Shine, Recruit.net, Jubal, Giga Jobs, CareerJet, CareerAge, Best Jobs, Job Gurus. All these kinds of websites are recommended for Selenium based jobs if you are searching for Selenium based jobs. And this is talking about the market share of Selenium. So over the left hand side, you can see Selenium. This blue color indicates Selenium. QTP is the competitor of Selenium as of now, and Microsoft's tool TFS. This is for Cucumber, another testing tools that comes under behavior driven development. And JUnit, JUnit is generally used for unit testing alone, but you usually combine Selenium as well as JUnit. So you should know basically both, either Selenium with JUnit or Selenium with TestNG. So that is how most of the courses, if you see, it will be planned in such a way. Because Selenium cannot test a software alone, it requires to combine with some other testing tool. Then only it can do the test. Then you have this Ruby. So you can see here in India, see this is leading, right? So this is the popularity, how much popularity it has. This is in India, this is in Europe. Blue color is Selenium. You can see Selenium is leading when you're comparing with other tools. It's clearly visible. In US, there's a huge gap with other tools. And in India, QTP, it is the closest competitor is QTP if you observe here, right? And coming to the salary difference by company, so various companies like IBM, Accenture, TCS, Cognizant, right? HCL, Wipro, Infosys, these are the main recruiters. So this average salary we have given over here, 4,10,000. This is 7,41,000 for a Selenium tester. It is this average salary, 4,52,000. Likewise, so we can just observe the salaries. Talking about the salary range and best salary, it basically depends on the nature of the company, like startup or service based or product based or core companies. Your academic institutes and campus placements available like tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. It is actually based on these things, like either you are from tier 1 college or tier 2 college or tier 3 college. This thing basically matters, and also your skill set and demand for that skills, years of experience, and whether the job location. So the location wise, the salary may differ, like you have Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, etc. So likewise, this will change. This is a salary comparison, like for various years of experience. So as a fresher, you will be having 0 to 1 years of experience. This is the range of salary in lakhs. This is best salary in lakhs you can get for a fresher, up to 5 lakhs. This is for 2 to 3 years experience, 3 to 8 you'll be getting like 3 to 8 lakhs. So best salary will be 5 plus. Senior tester, 4 to 7 years of experience. This will be of range 6 to 12 lakhs. Like best salary will be 8 plus lakhs. And for test lead, it will be like when you are the team lead. Yeah, this is our the experience of 6 to 10 years. The range of salary varies from 9 to 20 lakhs. So best salary is 12 lakhs plus. And test manager is 8 to 12 lakhs, and the salary range is 15 to 24 lakhs, and best salary range is 18 plus. Okay. So when you are going to do the job search as a fresher, these are our recommendations. Like you need to have the skill set as per the best demanding skills in the market. So Selenium is of course a demanding skill. You need to do the required courses, trainings, and get the appropriate certifications. You need to aim for a high salary job range. You need to identify that, like which jobs are paying high based on the automation roles. So now compared to manual testers, there is a huge demand for automation testers. Right now we don't call it as automation testers itself. We call software development engineer under test, like SDET. So that is a term now used. So we don't call testers as automation testers as testers, since it requires enormous amount of programming and logic is involved and skill is involved when you're doing the automation testing part. And you need to target high paying companies like top product based MNCs likewise. Coming to experienced people, when you are joining as an experienced person, the salary range and compare the data available here with the you can do a comparison with your software testing friends. What is the salary available with your friends? And you can use referral schemes, because most of the companies prefer the referrals. There is an obvious uh, weightage for if you are referred by their employee. And we need to optimize your resume and update your LinkedIn profile. So right now, as we have observed, like Naukri, LinkedIn is having a huge impact. LinkedIn is highly influencing this job market, right? So the recruiters are highly noticing people from LinkedIn. And if you have worked on BDD, behavior-driven development tools like JBehav, Cucumber, Serenity, in those cases, you need to highlight it in the profile. If you have expertise in mobile application testing like APM, it is also highly in demand. You need to highlight in the profile. I am going to give a quick introduction to Selenium. This is for freshers perspective. For freshers who are not aware of Selenium, I'll give a brief introduction. First of all, what is Selenium? So Selenium, most of you would have heard about Selenium, since it is a popular automation testing tool and it is highly in demand in current industry standards. So Selenium is an open source web-based automation tool, and it enables user to automate the browsers. So Selenium can be combined with JUnit or TestNG to perform the testing. So Selenium basically lets you to automate the browser. So it just gives you a grip of the browser, so that you can perform whatever user is performing. For example, user is opening a browser and user is entering a URL and clicking on that URL, he is going to navigate to a website. So all these things, whatever a human is performing on the GUI or on that browser, all these things the software will perform. So Selenium will perform all these operations. And coming to the features of Selenium, it is open source and free. It supports multiple browsers and multiple operating systems. It supports multiple languages. It can be used with so many external tools or frameworks. All these things are features of Selenium. Now, coming to the types of testing that Selenium is supporting, that is, the Selenium supports a lot of testing ways, like various types of testing. One of it is called core functional testing, where you test the basic functionality of the application. GUI testing is nothing but the graphical user interface or a website's form or the visual GUI that you want to test. And DB testing is something like you are going to test this in the database. You want to check whether the database is functioning properly for your application or not. And we have usability testing, regression testing, sanity testing, cross-browser testing, edge-to-edge, end-to-end testing, all these kind of testings. So this regression testing and sanity testing comes in the developmental phases when the release of the software is about to there. You will be having a series of tests when various builds are being done. So we perform regression tests. So sanity test is nothing but, suppose you have a software and you have added some features to the software towards the end. So in your new build, there will be some new features added to the software, right? So it will be again given to the testing team to test. You need not test all the software again and again. So what you need to do is, you just need to check whether the basic features or the essential core functionalities of the application is functioning properly or not. So that is called sanity testing. Okay. So coming to our topic, like this is the reason why we would recommend you to learn Selenium if you are looking for a job. So you can say, see here, this is the entire market share of the software testing tools. You can see Selenium's market share is 28.36 as you can see here. And here, these are the other products market share and all the other major tools. This is for HP Quality Center. This is for Apache JMeter. This is for HP Unified Functional Testing tool, that is QTP. This is licensed by HP. This UFT was previously known as QTP. So this is the market share of Selenium. This is the domain wise or various domain wise how much it is being used in various domains. Selenium, how much it is used in various domains. So this is the market share in computer software general in general. This is information technology and services. You call a service based company. There they use almost this much share in Selenium. This is their entire testing or entire infrastructure. Out of that, how much share this Selenium holds. This is for staffing and recruiting or HR kind of industries. This one, and this is for hospital and healthcare. This for financial services. This for internet, retail, computer hardware, insurance, management. So the brief from this slide is like it is Selenium can be applied in wide variety of markets. That is the brief of this. So why there is huge demand for Selenium jobs? So one of the thing is because because of the features that Selenium offers and the flexibility that Selenium has to enable testing, right? And also based on huge demand of automation, then there is Selenium version 4 that is upcoming and it is in beta stages right as of now. So it is more promising with more features. And we have the salaries or promising career path is obviously one reason, right? So this is about a brief introduction of Selenium.